Hi guys, good evening. So today we will learn how to use Wikipedia inside Excel. So often we make documents, do research and do a copy paste with Wikipedia or other websites. But if you want to use Wikipedia inside Excel, there is a very easy method. You go to add-ins. In the home tab, you go to add-ins and go to add add-ins. Okay. Here you will search Wikipedia. You see you got this Wikipedia and you do add and you do continue, right? You will get Wikipedia as a add-in. Now you can search anything, right? Let's say Microsoft. You search Microsoft and you will get everything related to Microsoft, and you can use copy paste whatever you want in the Excel, or even you can use this plugin in the Word also. This will be very handy plugin if you want to use Wikipedia data. Even you can copy paste the tables which are available on the Wikipedia. Everything you will be able to access, even images, logos, etc. If you want to insert into your file, you will be able to do it very easily without flipping between the browser and Excel. You can do it directly from Excel itself. I hope you like this video. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Bye.